have a ball.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we from Group A. Here we will tell and practice our dialogue about cyberbullying. Enjoy watching!
What do you think about cyberbullying? Have you guys ever experienced it?
Yes, I've seen it happen to some of my friends. It's really helpful. Cyberbullying is a serious issue that affects many people. It's not just limited to online platforms, but can also affect people's mental health.
I think it's because people feel anonymous online, so they can feel like they can say whatever they want without consequence.
That's true, but don't you think that social media companies should do more to prevent cyberbullying?
Absolutely.
I agree. Education is also key. We need to teach people about the impact of their words and action online.
That's a great point. We can create a cyber online community by working together, guys.